Want to watch NFL Sunday Ticket halftime shows? First, launch open the NFL Sunday Ticket app or head over to NFL Sunday Ticket website. You want to do this during a live game. When halftime begins, coverage will automatically switch to studio updates and analysis, so just keep the stream running to watch the show. If you're using YouTube TV with Sunday Ticket, open the YouTube TV app or head over to tv.youtube.com, go to Live tab and select the game you're watching. Halftime shows are included in broadcast feed, so you don't need to do anything extra. On smart TV or streaming device, launch the Sunday Ticket app and keep the game open. Halftime reports and commentary will stream as part of the live broadcast. Remember that halftime shows vary by network feed, but they always include highlights, expert breakdowns, and injury updates to keep you caught up before the second half. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.